Are you looking for the best nail guns in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best nail guns that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the NuMax SFN64 finishing nail gun. The SFN64 from NuMax accepts 1 2.5-inch nails, features a one-piece driver blade, provides 7110 psi, and has a 360-degree exhaust, so you're never breathing fumes. It's great for a variety of applications including molding, window installation, furniture, cabinets, and much more. There's quick jam clearing and easy depth adjustment as well to complement its lightweight construction. Up next in the 4th place is the Dewalt DWFP12 Pneumatic nail gun. Everyone knows Dewalt makes outstanding power tools, and their DWFP12 brad nailer is no exception. This is a pneumatic nail gun that provides outstanding power and delivers up to 2 nails for the big jobs. Great for framing, decks, siding, pergolas, home additions, and more. Tool-free depth adjustment is simple and fast, as is jam clearing, and the magnesium body is tough and relatively lightweight. For more great tools, check out our bench grinders review. The 3rd product on our list is the PorterCable PCC790 cordless nail gun. If you need to keep moving and don't want to be worrying about exhaust or your air hose getting stuck, the PorterCable PCC790 electric nail gun might be just the thing for you. The PCC790 has a 100 nail magazine, can easily switch between 5/8 and 2 nails, and offers trigger lock and sequential firing mode. Tool-free jam clearing and dual LED lights highlight the feature set. Get this nail gun, your tool belt, your tools, and show of your skills. Second on our list is the BOSTITCH N66 C1 Coil Siding Nail Gun. The BOSTITCH N66 C1 Coil Siding Nailer is a handsome piece of equipment that's beautifully balanced and extremely versatile. It accepts both plastic inserted nails and wire weld nails, and can be used for a variety of applications including fencing, siding, clapboard, and more. It produces 7120 psi, so you can adjust to the needs of the job at hand, and the 350 nail capacity coil ensures you can see the job through. So take out your portable workbench from your garage and get to work. Finally, the top product on our list is the Nail Gun Tree 550Z electric staple. The Tree 550Z is an electric nail gun that's as versatile as it is compact and good looking. While the 8-foot power cord limits its effective range, it certainly delivers within that range. Fires heavy-duty Aero T50 staples or 3 different length brads with power and accuracy. Also provides you a choice of high or low power levels depending on the task. Once you try it, this will be your favorite tool from your toolbox. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.